Hello friends, in the previous video we have covered this Zomato restaurant page this from this much where is here. Now in this video we make from here why you should start and from here to end of this page. In this video we make fully this page. Let's start it. First of all, go on our VS Code editor, and here let me just see where these all things are really close. Okay, restaurant registration container here, and let me just go on here. Here you can see little bit these types of a sliding. This sliding is coming. Let me just check why these are happening. On here restaurant page, anywhere I was giving the width is 100%. Let me just check. Okay, this is I think in the original page, not from the my page. Now I want to add this section why you should partner with Zomato, and for that just I want to collapse this menu and also this header one. Now here after that I give the one div tag and giving the class name will be why you should partner, and here I can give restaurant part uh, partn partner here Zomato, and after that here I want to add this top section heading. Before that I want to create a div and giving the class name will be restaurant container. After inside that I add the first of all this top section, just copy this here and here paste it. After that I want to add this p tag. For that I can give the p, and here just copy this section and paste it here. And after now here this text will be go on the too much big. Press the shift alt F for the formatting purpose. After that I want to add this icon and all this. For that I want to make a structure like a div, and here I give the uh, restaurant and partner uh, partner content, and inside that I make here I have a 3 div tag, 3 content. For that I make a 3 div tag like this, and here also div and giving this like this. We want to make a 3. We can do first of all in the first section, and thereafter we can do for that. Now here I want to make a icon. This types of, I think this is image, we can directly use the div, and giving the class name will be restaurant partner icon image. After inside that I use the img src and giving the path of that just right click here, copy image address, paste it here. And after that I want to add this city name and in India. For that we can do here, this is a one type of big text. We can do here div and give the restaurant why this is spelling restaurant big text, and enter. Inside that I want to just copy this, paste this here, and after that here I want to add the div and class will be the restaurant small text. And after that here I want to add this in India. Just copy this here and paste here, and these both are in one element. Let me just give this, and here I want to add paste here. Now let like this. Now onto as like this one I want to make whole this. Let me just this div tag and copy this one. This is the first one. Second one, I want to copy this image address, copy image and change this here. And after that I want to this heading big text. Now this will done, and listing, copy this here, paste it here, and this 5.0 crore. Let me just do this also, copy this here and paste again here, and this 5 crore paste here, and this monthly orders, copy this, paste here. And I want to image, right click, copy image address and go on the here in the image, change this. Now you can see, let's go on the browser and see this types of it. Now I want to make all this content in the center. I think some misspelling was mistake. Let me first check. And in the top section where is somewhere container, yeah, okay, C will be capital. Here I was writing a small, yeah, that's why. Let me just paste this now. Yeah, now this content will be, and here I want to add one more uh, restaurant partner container, and after that here I give the content. Just copy this and go on the CSS file. Here I want to, in the bottom section, here I just commented and make this and paste here. Here I can give the all the content in the center. We can give the display flags, justify content center, alignment item center. Now all the content are center, but it will not be in the column wise. We give the column, yeah. Now see, and I want to little bit margin from the top side. We can go here. Let me just copy this class name, restaurant partner Zomato, copy this, come here, and here I want to about this class, paste this here, and here I want to give the margin from the top section is approximately 100 pixel. Let me just see, yeah, here and here also it will be as like mode 1. Here you can give the 200. Yeah, now it's almost okay. And this font size, let me just see here, see this font size and this font size is almost similar also, but we can do. Now come here, and now I want to increase the font size. Here H1 and P1 in the restaurant container. Let me just come here. Here I want to just copy this, come again here, I want to give the H1, giving the font size will be 30 pixel. Let me just check in our page. Yeah, see this not proper, 40 pixel. Yeah, and I want to also change the color. We can give the color, and I was using the variable. Let me just give the text heading color. Yeah, now okay. After that just copy the same one things and paste again, and here I want to use the P tag inside that. And let me just change the font size will be approximately 20 pixel, and this color will be, we can use the paragraph text PR, and this all the text will be in the center. We can do here text align, sorry, text align. Okay, I was not given here text align center. Let me just see. Yeah, now you can see as like this one, but here you can see our font is smaller. We can make this 25, and yeah, and no, okay, now it's good. Let me just remove the margin and padding. Yeah, remove the in the top section. I remove the margin from the heading one, and margin 0. Now let me just see. Yeah, here this done, and now I want to make this all this city name, and for that just come here. Let me just see the okay everywhere this content, just copy this restaurant partner content and come in the page. Here I want to make a display flags. Let me just see. Okay, and justify content space between. After that you can see, and width will be 100%. Yeah, now you can see these whole things are separately. And let me just come here, and now I want to design one by one page. We can give the restaurant content list. We can give the directly item. Just copy this class name and add every div tag here. I can add here also and here also. Just copy this again, this class name, and come in the here, and here I want to make this, give the display flags. Now let me just see. Yeah, here you can see now this is he like this one, and here this image is our section big, but here it will be small. We can do this also. We can restaurant item, and okay, let's just me copy this same, paste here. Inside that I have a img, or we can do one thing. Okay, let me just copy the image one, this one, and come here, and inside that I have a here give the 50 pixel, and inside that I want to add a image. We give the width will be 100%. Now let me just check. This will be too much. We give the 40 pixel, 30. Yeah, now it's okay, and these things are as like this one, and here this we want to change this space around. Yeah, as like this one. Now I want to give, just remove this. After that this section will be done, and I want to give the this tax will be little bit big, and for that I was already give the class name. Just copy this here and come in the javascript css file. Here I give the text or font size will be approximately 20 pixel. Let me just see, 30 pixel, and let me just see in the here also. Okay, and 30 pixel is for now. Okay, and change the color will be where, and here I was using the blue color, but here yeah, blue color same. And this bottom section also, let me just copy this, and this class name is small text, and come here. Here I want to give the font size will be approximately 25, and this color will be, I think let me just see, this color will be this color, and for that we can give the color and variable. After that give the p tag. Let me just see in our section. Okay, and this font color will be much more bigger. Reduce this to 20 pixel, and now yeah, now okay, and I want to give the space, and first of all I want to center this uh, items, align item center. Yeah, now content will be center, and giving the space for that. Let me just see. Okay, here I want to add one more. one more class. Here I give the uh, restaurant partner content space. Or here I can use the inline, and let me just give the margin, or we can give the padding from the left side is approximately 30 pixel. Let me just see in the first section. Yeah, 30 pixel is for now. Let Why these are close. Let me just not 20, 30 pixel, 25 pixel. 28. Yeah, now okay. This here inline css you can give here also in the html. Just copy this here and paste your everywhere you want to, here, and also one more place here also. Now here you can see, now I want to give the top side a little bit space also. Here I want to give the margin from the top side is approximately 20 pixel. Let me just see. Yeah, and this will be 50. Hundred. Yeah, now it's okay. And why these are coming much more. Okay, I was giving here now, that's why. Let me just cut this here. And I want to give then the restaurant item this one, and I can give in the css also. Let me just come here, and here is me. Here I give the margin from the top side is 100 pixel. Now see, and this much done, and it will be not 180 pixel. Now this are done. Let's go on the this how it work. For that let me just close this section, and here I want to give the another div tag, and give the class name is how to work, and inside that I want to put first of all I want to make this background images. After that we can do something. For that here I want to make a background. uh, Let me just give this. Okay, background, and inside that I use the add the image. Here I commented let me, okay, background image, just comment this. Okay, for the commenting purpose I used this and this. Yeah, now just copy this first and go on the your css file. Here I want to comment, and after that I want to make this back. First of all, giving the height, width will be 100%. After that, giving the height will be approximately I think 450 pixel. We will done this. After that, give the background image URL, and inside that I paste the URL. Right click here, copy image address and paste here. And let me just see, some output is coming. Yeah, here you can see, but this is a 400, not a 450. Let me just reduce this height, and here you can see now this will be looking. But here I want to mm, okay, this are little bit more big. We can 350, and let me just see, these are coming here, these are coming here coming, okay, and these are coming here. I want to reduce more, 300. Yeah, 300 you for now. Okay, and I want to give the margin from the top side also. Let me just give the margin from the top side will be approximately 20 pixel. Let me just see you. Let me just check here, approximately 100 pixel. I can add this section in the here also. Where is image item here, and in that we can change this margin, uh, 80 pixel from top bottom, 0 pixel from left and right. Now you can see in our section these are also okay, and this is a not looking card view as here. For that we can do here. I want to add let me box shadow, and giving the 5 pixel 5 pixel 5 pixel. We give the 3 pixel RGB, and after that RGBA and 00 this one. Let me just see in our 60, but this shadow is not here. We can give the 10 pixel, and yeah, and inside that I want to give the padding will be approximately 20 pixel. Let me just see. Yeah, now see, and this shadow will looking much more. We want to reduce this to and 2 now. Yeah, now see, as like here, as like here, and we can give one also. Okay for now, and here this will be spread 5 pixel. I think blur, 5 pixel, 7 pixel. Yeah, now it will be done, and this image will added. Now in the bottom section I want to create this one. Let me just go here, and here I want to create div class how to work content. And here first of all I want to add a class name, uh, restaurant. Let's just copy this same, go on the top, and restaurant card container, and paste is here. After inside that first of all I want to add this heading, for that h1, and how it work, just copy this and here paste it. And again inside that I want to create this 3 card. For that I can use it directly div, giving the class name will be restaurant, or we can restaurant how to work, and this will be items, sorry, this will be give the list. Inside that we have a item, div, we just copy this same class name, only I want to little bit modify here, and div, and give it this, paste this, and here change the items like this. I want to add 3, just copy this one and paste 1 by 3. And here you can see in the top section we want to add images. Here I want to give the img src. After that I want to give the this image url, and everywhere I want to add this. Let me just right click here, copy image address, paste here, and just here also I want to img src. And now here I want to right click here, copy image address, paste is here, right click here, copy image address, paste here image src. And inside that here I not make any image container directly, I can add it, but inside the we can modify this with its parents class, don't worry. And now I want to here press alt click here and enter in the next line. Now here I want to add up this setup 1, setup 2, setup 3, like this. We can give the div p tag simple, and inside that just copy this same one by one and paste it here. Only I want to change this just paste this here, and here also I can change 1, 2 and 3. Now this 3 section will be done. Now I want to add this heading one. For that we can use the directly let me just come and see. Okay, this will be heading h4, and just copy this first and paste it here, and here I want to also add h4 and just copy this second heading and paste it here as like this one. Just copy this one and come here and paste this for copy paste here. Now I want to add this paragraph. For that we can do p and sorry, here I can p and copy this here, paste here, and also copy this, paste here, and in the inside the p tag, and this is the last one. Just copy this here and paste this here. Now let me just see in the our section. Okay, here you can see this all are display here. Now I want to make this all. First of all, here I want to make one more things, how to work here. Not here, I want to make items, sorry, not a item, we can make the content. Just copy this here and come in the restaurant page, CSS page, and after that I can give the display flags, justify content, center, alignment item, center. Now let me just see, all the content will be center but not in the proper way. We can change the direction, change direction in the form of a column. Yeah, and here I want to also give the width will be 100%. Let me just see why the okay, I was modify this class. Let me just see. Yeah, and now this text will be why not in the center. Display flags, alignment content, let me just change this in the form of a alignment items. Now let me see. Yeah, now this will be done. Now I want to make this card. For that, come here and let me just copy this list one first. Copy this and come here, and inside that only I want to add the display flags. And the display flags, let me just see. Yeah, and everything will be space between. For that we can give the justify content, or we can give, let me just yeah, justify content space between. And now every let me just copy the item. This is a restaurant how to work item. Just copy this, and now let me design this. Margin from the right side will approximately no, from not a right side, every from the left and right side both we give the approximately 5 pixel. Let me just, and top bottom 0 pixel. Let me just see. Okay, first of all I want to give the box shadow. Here I give the 5 pixel, 10 pixel, and RGB a and 2 pixel. Let me just see. Yeah, now see, all things are display here. And why these are not looking good, why these are overlap. Now let me just see. First here come, and in the item, Okay, let me just come here. This is the item, and inside that I want to also give the display flags, justify content center, alignment item center, and I was giving the margin top side, not a left side. Let me just give this, change this. We give the 10 pixel, and this content will be, direction will be change column. Yeah, now it's looking good. Only one problem is some text will be go on the outside. We can do this also. Why these are happening? Let me just give here. I want to give the box sizing border box, and in this p tag anyway, this one and this one and this text, all these are going outside. I think somewhere I was not close the p tag. Let me just see. Here I was opening, here close. For now, how can I reduce this? Let me just check. We can do one thing. Here this p tag, and here is this p tag. We can this p tag and this p tag. We can directly use this p tag with the help of this item. Just come here, and here I can give the every p tag text alignment will be center. Let me just see why these are going outside, and this will be box sizing border box and something more. Width will be auto. Width will be approximately 20 pixel. Sorry, this here 90. We can give the 10 pixel. 30 percentage of its parent, and remove the margin, automatically it will be created. And one more, here and here this problem is coming. Now I want to make yeah, here somewhere. Let me see where. Here. Okay, and first of all give the this is item, this is a list, and this is a content. Here I want to give the margin from the bottom side is a proxy 20 pixel. Let me just see. Yeah, now okay, and this tax in decrease in here inside the item I give the padding is approximately 20 pixel. Yeah, now it's okay, done. And this whole things are in the above. I want to above. First of all, we make this one. How to work, let me just come here, and in the how to work content, inside that we have a h1, and for that come here, and let me just design this. How to work content, inside that I have a h1, and here give the color will be where heading. And now little bit I want to give the from the margin from the bottom side, we give the 20 pixel, 30, 50. Yeah, now it's done. Now I want to all this content in the above these images. For that we can do one thing here. Let's go here, and this how to work content, just copy this class name and come in your style.css. Here I give the position relative. After that, giving the top side will be approximately 200. uh, yeah, this will be go in the bottom section, but I want to in the above, minus giving. And yeah, this all things are come up little bit more. We give the 250, little bit more. Yeah, now it's almost okay as like this one, but I want to change this item background color. We can give this background color will be white. And now here you can see display here as here, and just remove this. Now I think here also just remove the back box shadow. Now it's looking good as here. Only I want to change the something like a this remove the margin from h4, and all these text will be bottom section. For that we can do uh, just copy this one, and here I want to make this. Inside that I have a h4. I can give the first of all margin 0. Now all this text will be coming in the bottom, and here I have this p tag, and let me just give this p uh, top side will be approximately 30 pixel margin. Okay, this not a whole p, this p, first child, 100. Okay, margin will be not be work, maybe with the padding from the top 100 pixel with background color red. Okay, none of the p tag will be selected. Let me just come. Okay, this p tag, why it's not selected? P first child, we give the, and the child will be 1. Okay, now this will be selected, and it will become, remove this background color, and this will go up a little bit. And we can do one more things. Here you can see our image will be center like that. I can do, I think I can do one thing more. this image we can do, just give the this one, just copy this restaurant work item and come here. Here I want to give image, we can give the padding 30 pixel. Let me just see now image. Yeah, now see our image will be automatically center. We don't need of this giving the this one. Now see, only I want to change the this p first one. For that I want to also use this one, and here I want to give the fonts weight will be 550, and font size will be 20. Okay, now I want to come again heading, just copy this, come here, and here I want to give the h4. After that this will be size will be 18, and yeah, now this card will be I like this one. Only I want to change the color, we can give the color where heading, and here also in the p tag color where heading. Now only I want to change the this p tag, we can give the above this p tag, because this is overriding all the second p tag, that's why. And here I want to give, just change this all the p tag, and here I want to change the color of text. Let me just see, and this font size will be 16, and remove the font weight. Yeah, now these things are done. Let's go on this our this section already have your restaurant list. Just come here and just close this first. Now here I commented, I just copy this same for your references purpose, that's why. And now here I want to give the div, and this will be the alert for that is div tag. Inside that I want to create one container. For that just copy this class whole div, we will modify, and here I don't want to this, only I want to container. And after that I want to add this heading, this one will be h1. Let me just copy this, paste here. After that I want to add this search, this will be the p tag, just copy this here and paste here. After that I want to add this content div class, and class we will add a later. And here you can see the in the left side I want to add this is a drop down menu. Before that I want to add I think these all are similar to we have created in the home page. Let me just go on the our home page. Here you can see like this, only color will be changed. Okay, that's why we can do one thing, go on our HTML and index.html. in the header section let me just search header body content. Where is search? Section 1 online ordering features. This is a search, yeah, this content. Okay, this will be the our this is a Zomato logo. We don't want to, only this search container. Just copy this and come in your restaurant page. Here I want to just paste this. and this css file is added or not. Let me just see. Yeah, css file is added. Now let me just go on here and add restaurant page. Let me just scroll down. Here you can see this will be automatically added, but now here I was giving this one, and that's why this more space is created. In here also less space. We can do one more thing. Come here, and I want to do one more things. This work content, I give the just copy this here, and somewhere I think I was added a margin. Let me just see. Yeah, margin 50 pixel. Let me just remove this. Now let's come, and yeah, now it's almost okay. Little bit I want to more modify. We can give for now. We can just come here, and here I want to give the some class name. I give the already and this content, just copy this, and here display, not display, position relative, top side will be minus 100 pixel. Yeah, now see, and all this content will be not be center. For that I think just copy this again and paste it here, and here I write content. Just copy this and come in the here. Here I give the, I want to hold the content in the center, that's why I give the display flag, and justify content will be center, alignment item also center, and here I want to change the direction will be column. Now here see, we have a coming done, and only I want to change this background color. Like here this background color will be little bit some other shadow type. For that we can do one more thing. Here I was giving the already content search. Just copy this. I want to add the back shadow, that's why box shadow, and 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel RGBA, and let me just see here. Here you can see, but I want to in the form of F1. Yeah, now see, this is coming as like this one, only our color will be not a proper. We can change this color icon inside this. Just copy, let me just come here. This icon I want to change. This will be farm app. Just copy this, and here this class name, and before that I want to add this class because this is a parent one, and here I give the color will be where this p tag. Now see, this will be done. Let's go on the next part. Here our have our products. I select this one, and let me just cover this slide one. Here you can see this all this section we have already created in our section. In the let me just go on this, cut this here and go on the investor page. Here you can see automatically slider I was created already. You can use this, and like this we can do. We can just copy this and add this all the things which are necessary also. Now from that I think I want to stop. This video is approximately 1 hour. Now in the next video we cover much more things. Thank you for the watching till this. Just go on the our page first. Yeah, here we have covered this section. Now in the next page we make more, and here I was forgetted to see this both are not equal. We want to make this somewhere. Where is come restaurant page, and in the restaurant partner Zomato inside, just copy this item, and after that but we don't want to item this. Where is we make a today this one, and where yeah, this two bottom, and this copy this class name again and come in here, paste it here. Okay, I was not give the we give very search restaurant and restaurant. We can copy this class, and why these are where we can use. We can do in the last section. Here I can give. Okay, I was using this both. I want to only find this class name. Go up. Okay, this one first one, and this one is the second one. Okay, I was giving the width will be 50%. Yeah, now see, but its parent will be, let me just come here, and its parent will be this. Before that I want to give the restaurant container, this one, and come here. Let me just no, this is not I want to give here. Where is I can add one more here, class btn. We can do restaurant. Just copy this here and paste it here in the bottom section. No, not a bottom, in the top. Here before that, here I want to paste this, and here I want to give the width will be here, this one. Just copy this, paste here. Yeah, now you can see, but I want to remove the this padding. For that we can do, let me just remove this margin also. No, this margin is okay, and somewhere I was padding. Let me remove this. Yeah, now these things are done. Only I want to remove padding from the left and right. Now let me just see. Yeah, now see, these bottom are equal from now and looking good. This is our second last video. In the one video is one more coming which cover the this all this, and after that we stop this Zomato clone. Thank you for the watching till this.